Okay, so we've got the SOTS press, which is an extension of the behind the neck press. So once we've nailed the behind the neck press, it's now time to try and press from the bottom of a squat, which is pretty much essential if we want to get good at squat snatching. So we're going to get Brady to take a back squat position. So obviously prerequisite here, you need to be able to back squat comfortably. And someone who's got really good dorsiflexion range like Brady means he can get his knees over the toes and keep a nice tall torso. If you're someone who has tight calves and has more of a probably inclined torso, he's going to find that very hard to press from there. So you might want to chock the heels up with something or just get better mobility. So from here, if we've got a nice tall torso, we set our hands in a snatch grip and we're just going to try and strict press from behind the head. And we're going to hold that lockout there. We're trying to focus on relaxing these upper traps and once again trying to get all that tension through the lower traps. You can see his arms having to really work hard to stabilize there, and then if he brings it down nice and slow, this is going to be pretty difficult. We're going to develop a lot of that posterior pressing strength, which means we're going to have really healthy shoulders. So earn the right to be down there first. Once you've got the mobility, you can start building some strength through range.